Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with some decor ideas for your house, and in this I will show you how to make spiral wall hanging. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy such videos, and yes, let's get into the video.
Best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for.
So guys, after attaching the last pair of strips, just punch a hole, add some thread and hang it on your wall. It will look very awesome, and I have chosen the blue and pink combination, but you can mix and match and use color combination of your choice. So subscribe to my channel, turn the black thumb blue and show some love in the comment section below. I will meet you soon with a new video. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.